Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you my physics and chemistry project work which I have made in this vacation. So first I'll show you my physics project. In physics we were given three topics. The first topic was bending of cyclist, second one was banking of road, and in the third topic we had to show how we find out the safe velocity of a curved circular road. So without any further ado, let's see my first project, which is physics. So my next project is of chemistry. So let's see. So this is the front page. Guys, how was my front page design? Please tell me in the comment section. Now this is the acknowledgement page, and after that I have made contents. So my topic in chemistry was a study of constituents of an alloy. So let's see the project work. And here comes the bibliography. And yes guys, don't forget to tell me how was my projects, and if you liked the projects, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.